Who are you?
I brought these for your daughter, Machi. It's her birthday today, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
Please, keep these for her. Very important.
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Asabe.
Thank you very much. No, you're welcome. Thank you, Mama. Hey. I am sorry.
Sorry for what exactly?
I forgot it was your birthday.
Oh, that. Well, Mama, you don't have to be sorry. Don't worry, when I get married, my husband will be celebrating it for me.
But I still cooked something nice for you. It's inside. I cooked for my lovely, hard-working daughter.
Thank you, Mama.
A daughter that is as strong as two men put together.
Agaba.
Hey! Tell go back to you. Somebody brought this for you, this gift. He said his name is Asa. You don't know him?
Anybody by that name?
He's well built, a bit on the first side, handsome, with a smiling face.
I can't know. I've not met someone, but besides, Mother and Zasa, I broke one to work. It's a Nasa Bazo, Asa, Alela.
Well, this one is Asa mother. Why not open it? Let's see what's inside.
No, I'm not going to open it till I see the person that brought it. It could be one of those men that sing, I want to marry you, Machi. I want to marry you, Machi, whenever they see me walk past. So, I have to see the person to be sure somebody I like.
Man and woman, any man that remembers your birthday and decides to bring you a gift, that man must be a nice man. I must really like you.
Yeah. Mama, he's a nice man because, like you said, he's well built, a bit handsome, with a smiling face. Before you know it, get a sim, go and marry him.
Mana, you reached a married age now.
Let me eat.
Act like it, Mama.
Let me eat my food,
Mama. It's about that. By the end of the name, I'm going to make a way sing. Hey, I won't care. Let us see.
Morning.
I have been waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yes. And I'm glad you can see me.
I can't remember meeting you before.
Nice necklace.
Oh yes, it's very nice. A special one gave it to me on my birthday.
And I guess you like it.
Yes, I like it. Like it.
I'm happy you like it. Do you mind if I double it? And you are so beautiful. Beautiful. So beautiful.
He's handsome. Wow. This is beautiful. They're so beautiful. Mama, good morning.
Good morning. How was your night?
Very fine, Mama. Hey, Mama, the man that brought the gifts, when is he coming back?
He didn't say he was coming back home.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait. What's that on your neck?
Oh, Mama. It's from the gift he brought. I took it from the gift he brought. In fact, Mama, the gifts are plenty and they're very beautiful. For instance, look at this one. Is it not beautiful?
Come close, let me.
This will be enough to appease him.
Are you sure this will work?
Yes. If I'm not good, they wouldn't have asked you to come here.
Talk to me, Mama. Is it not beautiful?
It's beautiful. It's beautiful.
So, I really need to see that man.
Yes.
The only man that has remembered my birthday and actually brought me gifts. If I'm special to him, he must be a special man too.
Oh, right. It must be.
Yes. Let me continue.
Okay.
Let it not be what I am thinking. I thought this man was gone forever. Hey! I think he's back.
No. His back is still against the wall.
But I saw my daughter wearing one of the jewelries.
Many jewelries look alike in this world. As far as I'm concerned, he cannot come back again because he accepted the sacrifice.
But under much persuasion.
He accepted the sacrifice anyway. scared. You don't have to be scared. Go home. Go home.
I know the jewelries. Remember, I bought them myself. Here's a one. Look at this.
Take this out of my sight! You stubborn woman! Why do you doubt me? Can you see beyond these walls?
But I told you, they look exactly...
Get out! Out! Get out! Could this be true?
Machi, have you heard from the man that brought those gifts?
No, Baba. I don't.
Oh, well. Okay.
Did you see that?
Okay. See what? See what?
Ije mmiri, ije oyibo, ije mmiri, ije oyibo, asa mmiri, asa oyibo, asa mmiri, asa oyibo, ijerebe, asa oyibo. Ijerebe asoyibo ego mmiri ego oyibo ijerebe asoyibo ije mmiri ije oyibo.
You have a nice voice.
How long have you been listening to me?
Not quite long.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Come.
You've not told me your name.
I have.
No, you haven't.
But you know me. You know my name. There's no need of telling you.
I can't remember.
Can you hear that?
Hear what?
They are celebrating our reunion.
Our reunion?
Yes.
How do you mean?
With time, you will know. In time, you will know.
Where were you going?
I wanted to.
Shh! Now, get inside your room.
Good night, Baba.
Jealousy, this is pure jealousy. God, you may wonder, but then don't you remind you? Still, it is in love, oh, human being is in love. Oh, 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 survival of the fittest. Love, yes, love,
Gele gele malu gele malu gele gele malu gele kele a kole a malu gele gele malu gele malu gele malu gele.
What language is that?
If you listen very well, you will understand it.
So, what is the song saying?
If you understand the language, you understand what the song is saying.
Tell me, please.
It's a love song.
I wish I could understand it. Sing it again.
Malu gele gele malu gele malu gele gele malu gele kele a kole a malu gele gele malu gele malu gele malu gele.
Beautiful song. And you're a very soft man.
Thank you. I have been soft from the beginning. But they took you away.
Who did? But we just met.
Malu gele gele malu gele malu gele gele malu gele kele a kele a kele a kele a malu gele gele malu.
What madness is this? Mama. You were touching yourself. Do you know in your dream?
No, I can't get you. I was not doing anything in my dream.
But I saw you. Hey, look, if there's something wrong, better tell me. Let's know how to deal with it.
No, I'll be correct, Mark. I was not doing anything in my dream. Please.
I was in trouble. I saw her. Machi! Who taught you, you know?
Papa, Machi, what is it? Why are you making love to someone in your dream? What kind of question is that? By the way, what is wrong in making love in my dream?
Everything is wrong with it, Machi. Everything is wrong with it. I am your mother and I will tell you the truth. Now tell me, who were you making love to? Here.
Mama, dream or what game? Here. There's nothing wrong in making love in the dream, please, oh, Mama. Wait, is that why you woke me up from my beautiful sleep?
You should have seen yourself.
Excuse me.
Yeah? Machi, are you walking out on me? You're walking out on your mother, okay? So what do you know? When the trouble of sleeping with someone in your dream comes, you gotta find them. You will see me and you will tell me your story.
Machi, there's something I want to ask you.
Okay, what is it?
Promise me you will not be angry.
As long as it's not a stupid question, I will not be angry.
It is not a stupid question. You will not be angry, Abi.
I said I will not be angry. Maya Bukwana stupid question.
That time we were taking our bath in the river. Okay. I noticed some strange marks on your breast. And your nipple was red. Are you seeing a man?
I told you from the beginning not to ask me a stupid question. What kind of stupid...
And you promised me you will not be angry. Now you're angry.
I am not seeing any man. I am not seeing any man. And don't you ever ask me this type of stupid, senseless question again.
I'm sorry. I know you're just avoiding my question. But that doesn't change the fact that I know a woman who is seeing a man who likes breasts. Ma! Sorry! I'm sorry! Wait, Ma! Ma! Wait, Ma!
You've been indoors ever since you came back from the river. Are you okay?
Mama, what kind of question is that one? You're beginning to check on me like a little girl. I don't like it. It's making me uncomfortable.
I was just worried about your solitude.
You're too silent today. Are you not going to sing for me?
I will sing you a new song. But first, I have a gift for you.
Really? A gift? What is that?
Close your eyes.
I should close my eyes. Okay, fine. My eyes are closed. Stay closed. Mama.
I know you very well. I know something is bothering you.
Okay, wait. I want to ask you something.
So you want to talk now? What is it?
Never mind.
Is it about the man you're seeing?
I'm not seeing any man.
I see you don't want to talk about him, but one day you'll tell me.
I am not seeing any man.
Are you going to force a man on me?
Is it bad to, no? Is it bad to do, Stop looking at me like that. Is it bad to have sex in the dream?
Do you have sex in your dream?
I asked you a question, you're throwing it back at me.
Sorry. I don't know, but some people say it is evil. Why some say it is a sign of fertility? Machi, can you tell me what the problem is?
You know what? Forget it. I'll be fine.
Do you know you can always trust me?
I have always trusted you.
Are you scared? Whatever the problem is, you will be fine.
I'm fine, thank you. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. Are you looking for someone?
Yes, I am looking for you. Actually, I was the one calling yesterday, but you refused to look back.
Oh, you were the one calling me at the market junction yesterday.
Exactly.
Oh, I'm sorry about that.
It's okay.
So what can I do for you?
Can we sit down in a quiet place and talk?
Oh no, I don't have that kind of time. I'm going to cook for my mother. She's waiting for me.
Don't worry, I won't waste your time.
Maybe some other time.
When? Tomorrow?
I don't know.
Okay, can I drop you at home?
No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Oh, sorry, what's your name?
My name is Machi.
Okay, Machi, can we sit tomorrow, maybe somewhere?
Like I said before, I don't know. Have a nice day.
Okay. Can I ask you why you're looking so worried?
Yeah, I'm just tired. I went to the farm and I had to come here for this appointment.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that, okay?
So why are we here?
Okay, let me go straight to the point. I see you all the time and I've decided within myself that you're the kind of woman I want as my wife.
Okay, thank you. But I'm not ready for marriage now.
No, I am not saying you should get married to me now. I mean, you can go home and think about it because I'll be leaving to the city in the next 2 weeks.
I can go home and think about it, right?
Yes.
All right.
Do you want anything? Do you want me to do anything for you?
No, thanks.
Okay. Since you want to go and help your mother, you can go ahead and do so.
All right.
Yeah. You didn't even care to ask me of my name.
Sorry, I was going to ask you that. Okay. So what is your name?
My name is Obi. Obiefuna.
Okay. Obiefuna, what do you do for a living?
Okay, I import some goods from Spain, tiles and some other building materials.
Spain bunko obodo Igbo.
Wow.
Nyani na-eje abata.
Pure.
Hey. In that case, you have seen plenty city women, even white women, different shapes and sizes. So you decided na village girl to Kalise. In other words, why do you want to marry a village woman?
This is my village, oh.
You have not answered my question.
But I've told you that I saw a good woman in you, and I would love to make you my wife.
Okay.
My regards to your mother. Wow. Machi, how are you? My dear, I said, how are you?
Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Inano.
What is this? What is happening?
What else do you want if not to do, with me? Womanizer. Before God.
Machi. I'm so sorry.
Look at what your bad luck has caused. No, don't touch it. What is it? Eh? Are you jobless? You want to call? Don't you have any things meaningful to do with your life other than following a village woman around the village? Don't you?
I'm sorry about that.
Sorry for your stupid self, womanizer.
I'm not a womanizer.
If you touch my firewood. What is it? Am I the only woman in this village? I'm not fear. You will not go and face your city girlfriends. It's me. Each test in one village. I'm not fear. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Oh God, womanizer. Don't go to the city and look for all these big girls. Come on. I am not a womanizer. Let me see you come close to me again. I will break your glass. You see it. How could you do a thing like that? Do you know, I could swear you wouldn't do such.
I'm sorry, I didn't know what came over me.
It's not a matter of I'm sorry. You have to go and apologize to him.
Where do I see him?
Find him. Just find him anywhere. Who knows? He might be your soulmate.
I ask again, where do I see him?
You will see him again. And when you see him, don't go and be doing your village thing. Just apologize to him. Machi, you're changing by the day. If there's anything bothering you, you can talk to me. I am your friend.
The only thing bothering me is you. Yes, your plenty question is scattering my head. You are the only thing bothering me. If you don't know, let me tell you now.
Sorry.
I'll be on my way, Biko.
Let me see you off.
Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning. How are you?
Okay.
Where are you heading to?
I'm going home.
Okay. Let me drop you.
I am sorry for yesterday.
It's okay. I was thinking if we could sit somewhere and talk.
Eh? I knew it. Owankulieku, you want us to go somewhere now and talk. From going somewhere and talking to lying somewhere and doing it. That is your mission. You want to come and do me, you know?
Why are you behaving and acting like a village girl?
Hey! Otakema! Are you just knowing that I'm a village girl? Eh? You left all those people in the city to come here to tell me that I'm a village girl. You're very stupid.
Why are you doing like this?
Stop this car! Stop this car! Stop! Stop this car! I'll break you! Stop it! Stop! 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 Idiot! Oh!
Ezigbo wanje baring. Eh? Ezigbo Madam Koi Koi. What has come over this girl? Hey! Nikwe na anya biko. Eh? Hey! We need to go to the o. Diluted or wanje. Nikwe na anya biko no. Nafu wa ma anya biko no.
Hugo, I'm here. I've been knocking in front. Are you alright? Where's your mother? She went out. You promised to tell me about your new manager. There's nothing to tell about him. There's nothing to tell about him, or you don't just want to gist me? Listen, Chugo, I told him not to come close to me again. Why did you do that? I don't know. Machi, see, you really need to check yourself. I am sure something is wrong with you. How could you say that to him? The only man that has come to you. Chugo, please. Please don't make me feel guilty. You're feeling guilty, you ask him not to come back. It is alright. If he is destined to be yours, he will come back. I need time to deal with something. Are you seeing another man? I know you like him, so stop fighting it. I saw him around the village early this morning. You can go look for him. Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Please, can we talk?
Okay.
I couldn't sleep last night. I didn't mean to insult you. Please, I'm sorry.
Where are you heading to?
No way, I'm just walking around looking for you. Okay. He is such a calm and lovely man.
You know you haven't talked about a man like this before.
Hey, my friend is already in love.
Stop saying that. I don't know what I'm feeling. I don't know.
It's love. You're in love.
Love wanting to. Honestly, ma, I'm so happy for you.
Okay,
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
I'll see you when I'm back.
Alright, take care of yourself.
Stop smiling.
Stop going.
Mama, I greet you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
No, that matter. Please get him a seat.
No, Mama. Don't worry, I will sit witness I come. Yes.
Baba, he's the one I'll be telling you about.
Oh, now you're welcome. Who is your father?
I'm Mr. Osondo's last son.
Osondoke. Ah, that is good to hear. Your father is a good man. Osondo used to share injections during Christmas period when he was still with the local government. Please greet him for me, oh. Tell him that you came to Onwuka's house.
Oh, I will.
Yes.
I will.
Onwuka.
Mama, let me run along. Some people are waiting for me at home.
Wajen, take care. Looks like you like him.
Mama, he's a good man. He's a gentleman.
Ah, his father too is a gentleman.
Honestly. Mama, he said he'll be coming with his people next week.
Hey! Hey! Next week you come. Imam Puzina. Oh, that's wonderful. Ah, that is good to hear.
Honestly, I don't know how it happened. How I accepted him just like that.
That is what love can do, my friend.
This Saturday, he will be coming to my house for the first marriage introduction.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious.
And don't you think you should tap my back for convincing you he's a nice person?
Do you still need that?
I'm so happy for
Anyway,
you.
thank you. And don't forget to come to my house very early tomorrow to help me with the cooking.
Are you telling me? If I don't come, who will?
Well, thank you so much. I can't wait.
My friend, Mrs. Obi.
You are looking at the latest bride to be.
You can say that again.
Hey, where do you think I should make my clothes? Because I want to make a very fine tap.
Not about that. I hope it's better to dance. Not that you're dancing.
You will teach me.
I am so happy for you, my friend. Hey, I can't wait for that day.
I'm thinking.
You worry too much. Don't worry. That day is already a success. Mrs. Obi.
Do you think he will take care of me? I mean, Obi, do you think he will take good care of me?
Chokila, please. I am begging you. Eh? Don't kill this joy that is coming, Bikono.
I'm not trying to kill any joy. I'm not trying to kill anything. He will not take care of me. I'm just thinking about it now. Yes. Obi will not take good care of me.
Machi, something is wrong with you. Honestly, something is wrong with you.
Something is not wrong with me. He will not take care of me.
Machi!
He will not take care of me.
Machi,
Machi, wait, what are you saying? I don't understand.
Questions. Where I went to ask questions is not important. But I was told that that girl has strong connection with marine world.
I knew it. I knew you wouldn't go to anywhere reasonable other than where you'll be told rubbish. Aha. Papa. Obi.
I know you will doubt me, but if you do, go to her house right now. You will see a mark of crab on her lap. Go. Yes.